What's going on, guys? Coming back at you once again. I'm getting a little bit antsy. The weather is warming up slightly. It's getting better. It's 37. It's supposed to be close to 40 today. So me and Jeff are getting together to play with some of the toys that we acquired over the winter. Since we can't ride, you know, we've been sitting there having the fever just burning away. So we were just looking at different gadgets, different little tools and things like that we could use for the channels. And Jeff went ahead and pulled the trigger on the DJI DJI Mini 2 drone. So he's going to get some aerial shots and wanted to get some more dynamic shots to his channel. And you know, I've been getting a few little trinkets here and there too. We'll get to that. I'll let you know. I'll be doing videos actually on a couple little things that I got to, you know, just to up the game a little bit to help the channel along. Hope that, you know, we can get some better quality, more in-depth views for you, and audio. Audio is king. So anyhow, Jeff is now saying, hey, you know, let's go fly it real quick. You know, we got a warm day, so he's trying to get me, you know, I'm kind of on the fence myself. I went looking at them too, and you know, they're affordable. They do a lot, you know, and so far, man, they're really cool. You know, the footage is great. And they're fairly easy to control. It has the return the home function and all that. So I'm kind of interested. I'm still on the fence, but this is his attempt to try to get me, you know, to be, you know, to finally pull the trigger on one myself and get some shots. So I don't know. You know, I don't know where it would fit in with my my channel. I don't know where you know, it wouldn't fit in. You know, I don't have one now, so I don't know how I would utilize it. I'm sure I'll put it to good use somehow. But let me know in the comments, you know, if you wanted to see more stuff like that. We do more, you know, location and stuff like that. We got them boys behind us. No, I ain't worried about it. In Buffalo, you got to literally run into a cop to get pulled over by a cop in Buffalo. Anywho, so yeah, we're going to fly it real quick. We're going to get a little bit of action. He's going to let me try it. So I'm going to do my first ever flight and fly it for the first time. I can't believe he's actually going to let me fly his drone, but hey, that's the agreement, so I'm gonna hold him to it. So we're gonna check it out and see if I can't make up my mind today.
I don't want to, you know, like I said, man, I crashed 20 times. I crashed. Oh yeah. So how many times have you flown?
0.
Oh great. So we're gonna have this little friends agreement sign issue thing we're gonna sign real quick. It's just something to, you know, keep our friendship should something happen.
Yeah, it's unlikely, but just in case, you know.
Like to preserve our friendship. It's not anything, you know, about blame or anything. It's about, you know, protecting our friendship.
Hey, I got the text and I was like, oh, you know, I'm recording my flight. Great. I took that as I get to fly. I'm like, okay. Rolling in right after the Peace Bridge. We're gonna head down to LaSalle Park. Hopefully there's some open spots there and not many people.
See what our current conditions are.
Oh, look at the fancy phone, folks. The little folder phone. What is that? What phone is that?
It's the Z Fold.
Z Fold.
Saying with wind gusts of 19, or winds at 19 but gusts at 37, so it's giving us a poor flying day conditions.
Uh-oh.
But we're flying anyway.
It's happening. All right, so Jeff just informed us that we are at the optimal worst time for flying. It's what is it, during the day and bright, and you know, it's too sunny and it's windy, so we have all indications say go. Basically is what we're saying, that it's all, we're all clear for takeoff.
Are you fighting it that hard? Yes. Watch, as soon as I let go.
Well, anyway, it's crazy windy out here. Sure, most of this audio is useless, but we are fighting the wind to get back home. It's struggling up there. All right, so we got a new location. It's another park. It's inland a little bit further, so hopefully it'll be better flying conditions, a little less cold, and a lot less wind. So we're gonna head over there now and see if there's any better. Wow, that was awesome. It's so easy to control. Man, it was fighting against the wind. It's like really windy out here right now, but I think still fought through it. Man, I think I already made my mind up. You should have never did it, Jeff. Why'd you make me drive it? Why'd you make me fly it? I need one now. Wow, much better. The wind was still crazy, but a little warmer. But man, that thing fights the wind no problem, man. It's got some speed. That's gonna be awesome on a regular day, but more batteries are the order of the day, because these things go quick. So, I don't know, man. I think I might have to.
DJI, thumbs up.
Yeah, for sure. This thing is fun. Even if, like, I mean, I know, what was it, like $350, $400? You know, I was just saying earlier, like, you know, I've messed around and bought like little helicopters in the mall for $75, $100 or something like that, or, you know, bought my son a few, you know, little things to fly that never really fly. I mean, making the investment, you know, it's a few dollars, but it's not like a crazy amount like the top end ones, and it does a lot. You see from the, you know, from the footage, it does good footage. You know, yeah, 4K. So that's awesome. I don't know if they make any, like, they need the ND filters.
They do have.
But after you found that button, it was much better. You know, the little whatever button that was.
Yeah, I got a lot of playing around to do with it. I got a lot more learning to do. Everything I've learned so far has been YouTube. So,
of course.
And well, I can't say it's private still, but it's still private. It's
yeah.
Still a private investment.
Secret investment. Don't tell. But yeah, we're out here on stealth mode with it. But yeah,
I will say it, almost dead. Still has 3 bars for the remote. The remote does do really, really well. One of the other features that they have is that you can charge your phone from the remote as well. So you know that your phone will, especially during hot days, the battery drains a lot more. This will also charge your phone while it's connected. So not a problem today, but just, you know, just nice, another little nice thing to know that the battery life does last pretty good on the controller.
Well outlast the flying machine for sure.